Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rising, let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every
Good morning. January 21. Nope, I'm sorry. January 26. I was in the last week. And there we go. $2026. Good, another day of documenting the system. See how it goes. Let's see, today's news events. We had 8:30. We had core durable goods orders. Yeah, medium, nothing big. So no events coming up as far as the US goes. Europe, Belgium business climate at 9. Not till later today. You got something else in Japan or something. So, all right. Not much going on. We're bias is long. We're above the London mid. Prior day range, we're still inside that. And ATR is expanding. So that's good, I guess. Let's see, the daily. On the daily here, NQ. We came up on Friday and kissed that line, that trend line, kissed it, backed off it. When we gapped down this Sunday, I thought, shit, when we were down 200 something points, I thought, oh, it's on. We're gonna do one of these numbers, come back up, retest it, and drop back down. But since then, have we rallied? I guess that was a Canada news or tariffs or something. I don't know. So, at any rate, it is what it is. Let's go back to this guy. Yeah, that's good. So I'm going to start off with, I think we're going to start off with the bot suite. And we'll play the 2-minute play if I can find where that's at. There we go. All right, so there's the bot. Starting off at 0. You got these little badges now. Kind of grow over them. They'll tell you the points instead of having the points come down in the charts. I'm trying to work on a little slogan for each one. Obviously, I've got some issues on alignment. But there's Gunslinger, which I'll be showing him later. And they kind of grow with the size of the chart. It's kind of cool. But There we go. So we're actually playing all these guys are going to be just for kind of looks, just so I can quickly go over and see what's their status. And then this guy will show the actual charts, the actual plays. And I'm using Replicanto. I've got them all on. We still got 5 minutes left, and he's in the right account, so that's good. Waiting for position and bot suite. Oh, good thing I checked that. None of my accounts on my Replicanto were set up. All right, and I have an ES. Okay, cool. Let me save that in case there's issues. There we go. All set up. Midnight open is 25,635. That's always a point of interest for me, just because we can come down and grab it. I'll look on the, if we look real quick on the 15-minute chart, I'll just expand that out. Here we are on the 15-minute chart. Here's CPR, real small. Today's pivot. All right, this guy's just fucking obnoxious. We're at 25,688.75, today's daily pivot. And then as you can see, we're coming up since we've kind of settled in up over him, and we're making, looks like higher lows. We're coming up to this resistance at 763.75 and 25,806. There you go. There's the numbers. We got the London high right here at roughly 741 and the London low down here at 581. So something to be cautious. I don't know about cautious, but we could come up, take out this guy, maybe even hit this guy, come back down, take out this guy and go back up, or we could just keep on blasting up. We'll just take out this guy, hit this guy, reject a little bit, come back up, and then make the play up. I don't know. We'll see how they play it today. So London high is at 25,742 on the money. London low is 25,662 on the money. Good morning. Good morning, Ravine. Yes, you too. Yep, now's nothing to do but just to wait for the open. We got a couple minutes left, minute and a half. Here's my little thing. Really no news events, which I kind of already went over. Durable goods, that's about it. So we're into the point of being long. Really just have the inside prior day range to get up above. So let's see, where is that? Let's see, bot suite. Yeah, my only little problem is trying to find these guys because they keep changing. All right, so this will be the trading of this guy here. Oops, I don't need that up there. And taking the 2-minute pre-market high-low, which is going to be this guy. In 20 seconds. So this is the low. Anything below that will go short. And as of right now, anything above that will go long. We're above the London high right now. So good luck today. I'm going to be on autopilot for the first few minutes. And just let it trade. Here we go. Took the long. I'm going to actually come down just a hair. See if we can get a push back up. Are they going to take me out? Yeah, it took me out. All right. Not the best way to start, but I take the trade every day, no matter what. Doesn't matter. Right? I mean, you just take the trade and okay, we went short now. I'm going to go ahead and lock up. Coming down to the 1 minute weighted. All right, I'm out. Got a little bit back. Came down to the 21 EMA, the 20 EMA. Okay, so that trade's done. And I'll switch over to my screen now. There we go. All right. See, we came down to the 5 minute 20 EMA. Looks like I did not put, maybe I did. Nope, did not. All right, we'll see. No plans yet to go long, but there is a long play there. Yep, there we go. Wow, right off that 20 EM on the 5 minute. That was the play. Always is. So what is that from open? We're not very far. I could take a long above 62 there. But I really like to just kind of wait here. Be a little patient, in no hurry. I played that 2 minute pre-market high, lost out on the first. It says it got 15 points, but I'll have to go back there and check that and validate it. Okay, we're just kind of meandering up here. This is the bottom of the bear zone at 764. So there's going to be some resistance there. First time hit, let me see. First time, yep, first time hit in the 24 hours. So there could be a little resistance there. You can see we're kind of holding. A lot of times you can get a rejection, but you got to look at the daily and say, wow, that's 15 minute is, the daily candle is, that's pretty bullish. Pretty bullish. But let's see how it plays out. You'll trade around the 800 area. Yeah, it's not a bad area if you're going to go short. Right now, technically, my long is right above that prior wick at 763. I just don't know how comfortable I am taking it. If we pop back up above, I was going to say 765 right there. Yeah, I just don't feel real comfortable, but maybe that's the play. If you don't feel comfortable, it's okay. Oh. Yep. Hesitated. just hesitated, but it's okay. As Michael always tells me, what do you always say? You'd rather not be in a trade wishing you, I don't even know how it goes. I can't even remember. Oh, I'd rather not be in a trade wishing that I were versus being in a trade wishing that I wasn't. Something like that. Am I close, Michael? I think I'm pretty close. How's the volume? Everything good on volume? Yeah. So 763 was my entry. I let it go. I didn't feel real comfortable. We are above the prior 15-minute wick at 775. That's usually another indicator for me. I'm a little sensitive. Yep. Damn them. Damn them. Okay, so TCS will not take a trade. Gunslinger. Oh, let's go to Gunslinger. For some reason, he didn't take a trade. He was supposed to. Because he's off. Damn it. All right, I'll play one here. I'll just go where he's supposed to be. Oh, couldn't do it. There we go. That's his target. And that's his stop. Had him off. Darn it. Close enough. Yeah. What I found a lot of times is, man, you get that close, just take it. Just take it off. He comes back down here, I'll enter again. Okay, so now I got to go to the other guy too. Let me go to real quick while he's playing out. Let me go to this guy, make sure he's on. All right, he's on. There we go. Go back to Gunslinger real quick. I got to figure out how to be faster at that. Yeah, see what I mean? Because look at, we got that close. It didn't take profit, or didn't hit the profit, so it'd still be waiting, right? And you missed it by just a little bit. Now there's a chance it could come down and get you. So I'm going to try, I'll just see if I can, if he comes back up, I want to take him on the back up move. And let me put this to center too. That way I don't have to do anything. If I can pick up, I won't give it much. Come on, baby. Oh, I need to put him back. There we go. Come on. $85 and $86, so. Oh, come on. It's like I'm going to get taken out here. Because it's kind of continuation of the trade, because the trade hasn't stopped out. If we get close up there, I'll take it again. Which we got close. I should have probably taken that one. And that would have given him his full points. Instead, see what happens. Got a nice little move up. So we're still in this bear zone. We got to get up to 806. Again, if we get back up here, I'll take it right there. But if we get a push up, maybe I'll just get taken out there. Nope. Getting down to 13 seconds, so we should show the color of that guy. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, so close. Come on. If it shows green, I'll just put my stop right there. 92, 87, there's 5. That would finish up how many points I'm going to get. Nope, got taken out. He's in a trade. All right, so 15-minute. I think we still stay in that trade. It's too late now, but yep. Shouldn't have played it. Shouldn't have played with it. Son of a biscuit eater. Should have let him trade. All right, there's my learning factor again. I got to learn it every day, apparently. All right, there's his win. 11.5 points, 1 win, 0 losses. And here we go. All right, I need to move back down to the 20 EMA, the 5-minute 20 down here, or the 21 EMA on the 2-minute. Okay, we're coming up to another resistance area. We blew through the top of the bear zone at 806. And this is just blasting up, man. We're up to 80 points now. Woo. Some quick moves. And this is why I'm just kind of hanging out. If you take out Friday's high, this thing could possibly, well, the next target would be somewhere around 25,894 on the daily. So everybody's on now. So now I just got to wait for my trade. All right, Ravine, what are you doing? 800 area. Are you doing anything? Or because of that move was so strong, you're just kind of chilling out? Remember, 845.75 was the Friday's high. And that's what I think we have to take out. Okay, just being patient. You can see we're basically longs. We got to get above Friday's high to get outside the PD range, prior day range. Bias is long, basically because the 20 is over the 50, and we got to close above the 20. We're above the London mid, and ATR is expanding. Just moved back above Probably should have played that 800, huh? All right, we got, nope, it was a good call. We got 22 seconds left on the 15. So my 15-minute long is going to be 8:27. Unless we get a move back down to the 20 or 21 EMA. In which case, I'm only going to play a 20-pointer on the high, taking out the high. Sweep it. I always like to see a little sweep and then ideally a pullback. I don't know if we're going to get that though. It's 9:46, so we're into the little timeline here. Still kind of in the 15-minute range. Okay, I don't want that actually. Thought I was on something else here. Yeah. There's that 27. We cruised above it. I'd probably take the long back above that. See if I can get it. It's also the opening range high is at 827. Let's see if we can get up and take out 846, which is the prior day high. But they might play some games here. Yeah, I don't like this one bit. Need that 2 minutes to take out that high there. Otherwise, I got to be down here for a stop. And we could come down longer just because of 15 minutes. It's got plenty of room below it. Let's see. 5-minute Fibonacci. You already blew past that. Okay. No play. I'm down here below that bullish candle, 2 minute, right at 46 here. See if we can make a move back up. Maybe we can make a bounce off the bottom of, or the top of the bear zone at 806. 11 minutes left on the 15. So ideally after this trade, I'll wait for a move down to one of these guys, either this one or this one. We'll see what happens at 10 o'clock. Still have 10 minutes to go. Let's see how big of a move up did we make from 749 to 830. So pretty much 100 points. So we could come back some. All right, maybe we get this bounce. I'm going to try to see if we'll hold 806. Nope. Looks like they want to come down and get. If I add one here, I'll add one there. And I'll move my stop up. Actually, I'll keep my stop where it is. Increase. But I'll just put one a little bit higher. And I'll put this guy back here at the top. And I got him about 809. So I'll shoot for like 29. And if not, I'll just take the loss. Because I'll have no choice. Come on, baby. Get up there. Give me 28. 29. Oh, so close. What did we get up to? 23? Come on. Yeah. See, 809, I was right on the money there. Should have took that 23. All right, 7:57 to go. See if I can take that one. Come on, baby. Let's go. I don't like all these lower highs we're making. Just need one little push up. If we get up to around 27, I'll lock in a little bit more. Or I'll lock in some. There we go. Didn't have to lock anything in. Good win. It's actually what I needed right there. Oh, come on. All right, everybody else is kind of just hanging out. This guy won't take a trade until we get it back, get across, and if all the conditions are met. Bot Suite's looking for 15-minute or 5-minute inside bar. We had a nice little trade down here. Lost a little, but looks like I'm going to come back winning a little bit. I'll lock in a little bit more there. I'll take the high. And I'll bring this guy up. So Gunslinger just took one. So we'll just let Gunslinger play out. I won't touch it this time. Oh, come on. Stay up there. Got some gaps to fill. Oh, I probably need to put on the 1-minute gap system. Put on some fair value gaps. Oh, they're visible. Oh, come on. Don't come down and take me out. What the fuck? Didn't get much to show for that. Let's try it again. Still would like to get up to the yesterday's or Friday's high, which is 845.75. But we're struggling here in the 15-minute. This is all resistance right here from right around 23 to 45. 15-minute. But since it was Friday, I don't anticipate it holding. But you never can tell. Let's see, 814. Okay, I'll switch over to Gunslinger. Get to a 10-point difference here. There we go. Taking longs is tough. You got to be patient. Getting a sell signal on SPY. I'd like to go up and hit that 845. I don't know if Gunslinger's going to get his 857. That's a stretch. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take profit on mine. I took it at 42. There's yesterday's Friday's high. I'm going to put Gunslinger back up to break even. I'm interfering, huh? Probably shouldn't interfere. But my guess is we're gonna reject here. That'd be my guess. But who's to say? Could just blast on up, take out the 57. Pretty close. Come back and retest. What did we get up to? 53. So he has 13 points. 40. Oh, his target's 18. So 18 would be 20, 33. Okay, good. He'll have another trade in him. Win or lose. And how close to 10 o'clock are we getting? Really close, huh? Minute left. There we go. All right, 15 minutes, got 45 seconds. Because we're going to change the 15-minute candle, I'm actually going to take, I'll move this stop up. I know I shouldn't, but I don't like candle change because, man, we could go off the deep end there really quickly. We can also spring up really quickly. So the high of 889 would be a good short. 889. All right, new 15. And let's put him back on the market where he should have been anyway. There we go. There we go. It's like I never interfered, other than losing him a few bucks. Oops. Just can't leave it alone, can I? All right, I'm going to let him play out. He's a little dull. Remember, fast hands, clean hits. I don't know if that slogan's going to stay, but I'll go back to my chart. And what I'm waiting for is a move back down to one of these guys. I'll be right back. I'm going to... All right. It's always a little challenging, man. It's I got my heater on and it gets freaking toasty in here. Let me just tell you that. A little toasty. Oh, Cat wants to come and say hi. Hey, baby, you want to come say hi? Yeah, don't rub up against the mic. All right, see if we can go out and take out 57. There you go. Go take your spot. That would be ideal. Came down to the opening range high of 827 and held. Get off him. Oops. There we go. Can't get above that 845. So if you're holding long, you got to be patient. It's got to chew through this. We got a little flag looking, kind of like a flag. It's not a great flag. We have this new 15-minute candle still trying to bust through the high, make a new high. it's still trying to bust through the Friday's high. So spikes down to it's above its prior day high, and it's above Friday's high. So oops, can't do that. Above 692, so it's holding right here. It's my 7 o'clock a.m. bell because I'm in California. Oh, so much for the big lift off above Friday's high, huh? Yep, I am in California. In the Central Valley. 2 hours from Monterey, 2 hours from Nevada City, not Nevada City, but Reno, Tahoe area. 2 hours, hour and a half from Yosemite.
Bar entry.
Okay, we got an inside bar, 5 minute. Let's go to that chart. There you go. So we got Bot Suite trying to get up there to 57. We got this guy going. Let me get rid of that. Be local only. I don't know. 5 minute doesn't have a great history. On this trade. Used to, but this month, last few months haven't been the best. I just play it. I let them play. You know, they'll cancel each other out, hopefully. The 15 and the 5 minute. I don't know. You know, that's all you can do. You have a system, you just play it. So these guys are on their own system, and I just gotta let it play. Oh, that's why. Yep. And whether it gets taken out or not, I mean, not much I can do about it. I let it play. Hopefully we can get a blast off and come out and take 65 out, which would then help Gunslinger. And hell, even if we just took out Gunslinger, I'd be happy with that. We're just, I don't know, it's just kind of slowing down. So, again, I'm trying to let these guys trade. Gunslinger, I've helped too much today. I need to, you know, when I help it, it doesn't do well. So I just need to let it do its thing. It's got a system. It's designed to play. So I'll let it play. I don't know if we're waiting for news. Economic news window. I mean, there's really so far nothing. Atlanta Fed GDP now indexed as little changed at 5.4. Canada's Prime Minister Carney. The cost of release for consumers on groceries will be $3.1 billion in the first year. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know what that system is. So they must be offering, I don't know how you do that, giving consumers relief. Maybe they're going to pay the God, hopefully not. Maybe they're going to pay all the stores, the grocery stores, money to reduce their costs. It's a slippery slope. You start doing that. Going to get taken here, looks like, but it's That's the game. Gonna win some, you're gonna lose some. There you go. Got taken out. Nobody's happy yet. That's okay. There's going to be bad days. I was thinking over the weekend, probably not going to be a good day Monday. Just had this feeling. We'll see how Bot Sweet does, see if he can get that cross, and if the 7 conditions are met, I'm thinking about adding them to this down below. If the 6 or 7 conditions are met, then all right, so we came down to the 21 EMA. Oops, let me get back to my screen. My screen's better. Oops. There we go. Oh, I should have did both of them same time. Okay. There we go. All right, so we're bouncing off the 21 so far to see if we hold. I would prefer to come down to here and take a long. At this point, we got 3 minutes 38 on the 15, so I would just let it play. This is my 15-minute chart, and here was the resistance area right here from 823 up to Friday's high at 846. So I had this resistance as a potential reversal area, if not potentially long-term, short-term. So we'll let that play and see how that goes. And basically that's just looking at the 15-minute candles back on Friday, and you can draw from the wick, high wick, up to the first bar close or open. You can draw a line or a little box area, and that's your box. There you go. Okay, so Gunslinger stopped out. He's minus 13, 1 win, 1 loss. TCS might be up next. We will see. Top of the bear zone, which is right here at 806. We're diving back into that. That's that resistance area from 806 to 764. Let's see what happens here. Another bounce at the 21 EMA. Because we are bullish at 93 points. That was a long right there. 829. I did not take it. We'll see how the 15-minute plays out here. We got a minute 20 to go. That's what I'm waiting for, is that 15-minute to close out. So would I take it above 838? Well, fuck. Didn't give me much time to react there. Seven seconds left on the 15. We put in a lower high, but we didn't put in a lower low. So what's that? Low is 803. The low here is 803. So we doubled bottom on the bottom there on the 15-minute. So let's see. I could play one right here. 43. No, not 43. I'm sorry. At 38. Thinking that we continue up. See what happens. See if we can get a push back up. We came down. We hit Friday's high. Rejected. Very slowly, I might add. Came down to the top of the Okay, what happened here? Well, I closed my account. I closed that because I had some kind of issue. Fucking Replicano. Come on, guy. High is 849. I'm going to try one more time. I do like it. There we go. That's better. Need a push, though. It's like we got a... can't really tell. Oh, that is a 15-minute inside. And the long would be about 850. So I'll just let that play. Let's see.
Inside bar entry.
There you go. There's a 15, or the inside bar in the 15-minute. I got taken out. So I got mine. That was a good long after all. We'll see if the 15-minute can get taken out. I might even, let's see, I might even shoot for 69, 79, 89, 20 and 40, huh? Roughly. Okay, so we got the high pushed. Now we just need continuation. I don't know if we're going to get it. We just got above Bear's last stand. That's where we kind of rejected the first time. We might come back and retest it at 848. I like to see quicker moves on the 15-minute. I mean, I like to see that push up, man. Like, bam, take out 20 just like that. We didn't get it. We got, let me see. What did we get? We got 49 to, we got 11-point push. Come on.
Target filled.
There you go. Got the target. Now I'm going to watch for a move back down. We got the bots green. I don't know if we can get to the next 40 pointer or not. Take out 20 and 40. Now the bots systematically run on 20 points, so but we got them, at least I got them green there by playing out this, let this one, I'm going to just go ahead and put my stop there where he would normally have taken it. So there's the pre-market high-low, lost 15 points, lost 36 points on the IB5, got 42 on the 15-minute. That's what it's going to record. And then, so I just got stopped out where I would have gotten taken target anyway, so I'm okay with that. Okay. Get out of here and go back to my chart now. There we go. And we're going to go up. Probably should have just went to break even, but that's okay. It's a good long. You're done. So just like that, you get the bot suite who was down, I don't know, 100 something. Now he's up 47. This guy, Gunslinger, he still could take, I don't know why he didn't take this long. Let's find out. Yeah, he's ready. Time window's good. We're under the daily cap, not in trade. Cooldown's okay. I don't know. All right. You can see that move back down to the 21 EMA was a good one. That 38, which I ended up taking it somewhere in here, I think 40, 41, 42 after some up and downs. And then looking for 68, which I got. It wasn't bad. Here, wonder if I could. I think I'm gonna create this. Yeah, a lot of garbage in here. It's Mr. Fibs, should be taking that shit. Besides that, yeah, and then a little indecisive here, but you ended up taking 41 instead of 38, which is where you should have been. 39. I mean, it's just a trade. You take that. You take that at 38. Your stop is down here at 02. Would have been a 30-something point loss. Oh well. So you took one, you lost one, you took one, and you took it off one at 60, it looks like. All right. I got my sessions on my session, the opening range 15-minute, the opening range low, midnight open. I got all those lined up pretty nicely now. So they show what they're supposed to show. cleaned all that up. I can show historical or not, which is kind of cool. Go to sessions right there and say, yeah, let me see. Oh, maybe I don't. It's like I need to work on that. Show historical trends. Yeah, it's supposed to. Yeah, it was working over the weekend, so obviously I got to go back drawing board on that one. Okay, I need to move back down to the 20 or the 21 or the 20, either one. We could come back up here and retest 845 again, 846, 845. Doesn't look like a 10 o'clock reversals in the play. Might be a day Gunslinger does not take a trade. And it would have taken a long here, but I put in a new little system in here that says don't trade. Like if I put this to 2, I think it'll have taken that trade. Let's see. Nope. Oh, I went the wrong way. I need to put it like 10. Let's see if it takes it. Nope, it didn't take it. Well, because the other conditions weren't met, so it's actually not a play today. That's fine. 932 was also the other play. So let's see if I can force it to take the trade. So I want to go back to 5. And start time was 9:31. I don't know if that matters. Oh, there you go. So it would have taken that trade had I just released it by 1 minute. But that's why I have things set up the way I have them set up. So now I just got to wait for either a short, a move back down, or he's going to be a no trade day today. Me, I just got to wait for a trade at the 21 EMA or the 20, the 5-minute 20 would be better. So our bias long, we're above the 20 EMA, we're above the 20 and the 50, the 20 is above the 50, we're above the London mid, we're above prior day high now, and ATR is still expanding, so it's a solid green play. Okay, so we're coming back. Again, I'll be looking for something like this, right? A little dip down, nice solid bearish or bullish candle here to go long. Now what I would also do is do this and go up here to my high and go down to my low there. And for sure, make sure I'm above this box before I take a long. So the reason why these emblems here are bigger because it's the bigger screen. So if I take this one here and blow it up, the emblem grows with it. Okay, he still ended up losing, or he got 21 points. Okay, I don't think so. I'll have to look at that. All right, we're back down at the 21. So now we got to see some kind of bullish move here. No bullish move, no trade. Oh, there you go. Just like, almost like magic. However, let's see, SPY's down below its 13 EMA. Let me get this guy going. Oh, yeah, getting close. Okay. Okay, so TCS took his trade finally, took in a short. I don't know how excited I am for that one. Whoa, what's going on here? All right, since I messed up around, or not mess up, but I played around with this guy, I gotta obviously retest him and find out what happened. The 46-point stop, it's a pretty big one. But that's what I agreed to play. Let me check something. ATR, that's why. 1.5. I've got it set for 2. It's going to recalculate now. Might take a while. There we go. Okay, this guy was set up correctly. This guy was not. Oh, they were both probably playing it. Damn. Yeah, we'll just let it go. There we go. Now we're set up correctly. Okay, this is the 15 and 29 point targets roughly. Okay, we got another bullish move off that 21 EMA. So I got to be careful of that. If we get above 70, we're gonna go higher. Huh. Okay, there we go. This will be the only trade he takes if he gets stopped out, I believe. Okay, he got stopped. I'm not sure. There we go. I got stopped. All right. In TCS, I've agreed to play five micros per every mini. So it is what it is. So he is done for the day. He's locked. He exceeded his number. So, oh well. Gonna win, gonna lose. Let's go, Mr. Phibbs. There we go. That 21 EMA was not a bad play there. If we got above 855, right above here. Well, actually, it was above here. 870. If we come back down and tag 64, I would take 70. Yep. Okay, good. We just came to a standstill. There's not much to do. What are you doing? Yeah. Okay, I said I would take 850 or 870 if we came back above. If I'm going to take 870, why wouldn't I take this right here? Just for shits and giggles, I'm going to put this back to 2. I'll still record the loss. This guy won't have a loss, but this guy will. So I'll use that. But his stop was up here at 46. That's where I'm going to see if he's going to get target. This is the way I typically ran TCS with a 2 ATR stop. I just want to see if it's going to get target, just for fun. With the bot suite, I probably would. Do I have it set up for 2? Yep. I probably would take that again. So let's let him go, see what happens. I don't want to go reverse, so I don't want to go long on one and short on the other. So I'm going to just put this right there. I'll play this one. Bot suite. No, wrong one. TCS, sorry. Get out of there. Let me give him one more shot at it. Okay, once again, we're respecting that 21 EMA on the 2-minute. And it looks like it might hold once again. So I'm going to put the targets where they're supposed to be. And if it gets target 1, that'll be the 15-minute opening range. But it looks like that 21 is going to hold again so far. I don't want to kill that TCS account. I want it to organically grow, but let's get a little serious here. And this would be a good learning for me, is that if this thing comes down and gets target, I got to keep it at 2. And that's got to be my, that's just got to be my deal. Got to take it. Right? 15 and 29. Come on, baby, let's get him. Help him out. Help a brother out. $8.27. It would be great to come down to this 5-minute 20 EMA. orders. What do I have? Okay, nothing. $7.15. I'm going to get 30, 45. Yeah, we'll cut it in half if we can get there. Don't know. We're supporting there. That 21 is holding. Drop down below, close below. The short entry could be 835. But man, this 21's held every time. Right there. It's held. There you go. Fuck it. It's held each and every time. So I got to take it off right there. Looks like we're going to hold again, trying to. 15 minutes, putting a couple wicks up though. Yep, there we go. Woo! All right, TCS, you're done. It was worth a shot for me. See, stop is way up here at the top. But there was potential long there. 59. Just slow going. Let me get back to oh, okay. SPY's moving up. SPY moved back above. Maybe we can get a giddy up and go. Come back down to 59, I'll probably go long. Pretty good 15-minute solid candle up. It's got to break above this prior 15-minute at 78. It just got up to 77.25. Oh. 78, we took it, made that new high. We're at 1052. Come on, Gunslinger, one more trade. Let's do it. Oh, IB at 886. So, see if we can get an IB blast, huh? What's IB? 86. 86, we got up to 93. Come on. Gonna take one off. TCS is, I'm making him a little comeback, just a little. Come on, get up there to 99. I get to go to 86, right? That's IB. $86.50. Come on, one push up. Good. Hey, turd. Okay. See if IB will hold. Come on, push. Get above 900. Oh, come on. 98, really? Yep. So 86, there's 20 points. Let's go. You can do it. Nice move up to 910 would be good. Let me check. Oh, damn it. Trading view real quick. That guy? Nope, the other guy. Trading view, the daily, and we're at that high point right here, right now. 891 was, what day is that? Friday, the 16th of January high. And then on the 15th, we had the high of 952. So we jumped ahead of, it looks like, on Friday's, the 16th high. Took a little loss there. I'm going to see if IB will hold again. Nope. So 86 down to 76. They like to do a little 10, 11 point drop down. Didn't quite get there. Kind of take out all the stops. Okay, now we're closed below IB, so there we go. It's nice and cool in here now. Okay, we got a new, nope, 5 minutes, got 126 left, and same with the 15. I think if we drop below that guy, 78, close below 78, there's a little bit of a problem there. If not, I got to believe we're going to continue on up. TCS was due for a loss. I think it had 7 or 8 win days in a row. So it happens. Bot, Gunslinger. Down 13, so small losses for him. It's 11 o'clock. So let me see if I can get... I'll record some numbers here while I'm waiting. So Monday 26 negative negative 13.5. Again, if I wouldn't have touched him, he probably wouldn't have been as bad. So he's 1-1. And okay, so there's that move up. Let's see if I can get it back above IB. Oh, they slammed her back down, so I'm going to get back up here and take a small stop if it comes back down. Stay up there. Nope. Damn you. TCS. What did you do? Yeah, you went 0-1. So 0-1, 91 points. Ooh, that was a big one. But so far, TCS, every time it's had a loss, it's almost always come back with a big win. Almost always. Here's my screen capture. Hold on. Let me delete some crap I got in here. What is that? I don't know what some of these columns I put in over the weekend. Delete column. There. All right. So TCS, even though it had a rough day today, which happens, he had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-day win streak, and he lost today. Okay, it happens. Just like in here, it happens. He's still up. Oops. Did I delete that out? No, I didn't show it. 678 points with a 77% win rate. His total trade 36, 28 winning, 8 losing, 13 winning days, 4 losing days. For winning days of 76. So still pretty decent, right? So we'll just let him keep playing. Yeah, it was a rough day today. I made it probably rougher, but that's okay. Made a little bit of back. So okay. There's that one, the bots. I don't know if that's right. Let me go back to bot suite. There we go. Okay. This is the one I played off of. Yeah, so -9 points. So go to file, open bot suite. And oh, well, let me figure that out in a second. So -9, and 5-minute inside was -36. 2-minute, oh, the 2-minute was -15. That was the correct number. And 40 on the 15-minute. The 15-minute did not fire last week. So let's see, where am I at? Okay. Oh, why does that say December? January? Okay. So bot suite. There we go. He hasn't had the best time. Winning days 12 days, losing days 4, break even days. I'll have to look at that. That's obviously wrong. But he's up at 511 points total for the month. Do I have that totaled somewhere? Yeah. Yep. So 511, and there's his winning percentage, which is wrong. Obviously, I got to do some work on that spreadsheet. Okay. Hanging out at IB here. Just like, come on. You can see since we crossed Friday's high, we've just been kind of hanging out here. I don't know why. Maybe there's a big sell coming. Let's see. SPY's indicating a sell. Little short-term sell. Might be worth it to take a little bit of... Would like to come down to that 21 EM on the 5-minute. That would be the best thing. What the hell? There we go. Okay. Yeah, there's no short in here. It's all longs. I think every move down is just a reason to buy it so far. Huh. We'd like to see him move down to the 20. I think I'm just gonna kind of hang out and wait. The 5-minute 20 is the one I need. Obviously, each one of these 20 moves worked out. You got a bullish candle there. You would have taken the long at 838. 838 went up to 886. So there's 20 and 40. You came down to this one. You tagged the 21 EMA. Again, I would have waited for this bullish candle, so not taking a long till this candle. Unfortunately, 870, and then you took 870, almost a 40-point stop. I would have got stopped out. So realistically, you would have taken this this long here. Your stop would have had to have been here. So at 840. So 870 would have been a 30-point stop. That's your stop. You got stopped. You got another bullish candle up. You could take that one long at 8.59. And your stop is, again, 8.33. So 26 points. And you take 8.60 and you would have gotten 8.98. So 38 points, almost to 40. And then here you came down. This was the tough one. I mean, you came down and almost wicked it, probably wicked it, but you couldn't have really done anything till up here. So, at least for me, that's my trade plan. All right, so not a great day, but those days are going to happen. I got to let the system play out. Don't touch the system one more time. I mean, Gunslinger would have been a lot less. This guy would have been probably a little bit less. My trading, 3 contracts. So 3 is the same as 0.3 because I'm using 3 contracts. Wait a minute, what was that? 118 is the same as, yeah, 393. So not a big deal, but not a losing day. Had too many trades in this little area or this window. Should not have taken, or into this window. Should not have taken them. I should have just concentrated on these guys. Would have worked fine, right? 2040. You got 2018, so maybe 2020. Or, well, on this one, you would have got stopped out, so you'd have lost money. So you'd have been, let's say, up 60. Taking a 30-point stop here. So up 60, you would have been break even. Taking this one, and you could have gotten 59. So up at 60. 60, you need 100. So you need 600 to get to 40. You didn't quite get it, but you took 20 and 20. So you're up 40. Kind of the same. All right, that's all I got. We're after 11. He's done, and he's done. So, yep, time window's closed. Ciao. You guys have a good day. Keep it green, and we'll do it again tomorrow. As you can see, based on TCS and the spreadsheet that I put out, it just happens. He had 7 winning days. He's going to get a losing day. So not a big deal. Let him go. That's what I'm telling myself. All right, you guys. See you later, and I'll go out with this.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow.